How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 66 Plymouth Satellite 383. Got bucket seat console. Super nice car, folks. Got show quality paint on it. See, the front bumper's been re-chromed. The grille is original. Does have a few little dings in it. Car's super straight, slick down the sides. It's got the factory rallies, BFG tires. Just a super nice car. Good, solid car. Car come out of North Carolina. A new tail light, bezels, rear bumper's also been re-chromed. The deck lid applique is original. It's all in good shape. Super slick paint on the car. Just ready to show it, drive it, enjoy it. This is the original 383, 727 trans. It's got power steering. It's got heavy duty radiator in it. Does have a set of headers and the dual 2.5-inch exhaust out the back. Set of hooker headers. See, the jams are all really nice. Looks like they've replaced all the interior. The dash is original. Very nice condition. It's got the deluxe steering wheel in it. A new headliner. Seat covers are all new. They did update it with front and rear seat belts. Got the spare tire and everything in the trunk. You can see that in our pictures. I really like the interior in this car. Very nice. Got a period tack and column there. We'll fire this thing up and it's only about 93 degrees out today. Sounds real good out the exhaust. Tell you, it's just a super nice car. It's hard to find them this nice and clean. This car's ready to cruise. I've put about 40 miles, 45 miles on it myself. Drives beautifully. can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.